20 minutes on the tread today, rain again, and I'm breathing heavy, but I feel really good. Listen, if I can get out here and push, you can too. Sometimes it's not about speed, it's about showing up and just moving your body. Drop me a strong arm if you're getting after it today. And if you're just starting out, don't quit. The first step is the hardest, and it's the one that counts the most. Trust me, your lungs might scream, your legs might burn, but your future self is going to thank you for every single step. Keep pushing, keep breathing, and keep showing up. Bye, beautiful people.